Let's go out to the shopping mall. Let's go out to the internet. Let's go out to the shoe store and find ourselves a sale. Welcome and welcome back to another episode of Let's Go Shopping. And guess what? We've got packages. Let's get into it. I have a box right now from Temu and a box from Macy's. Let's go ahead and find out what's inside. I can tell just from the way this is packaged that this one is from Temu. Yep. They just put everything in a box. Okay, so where I go, all of the resorts and hotels are offering this type of tea kettle. And I just loved it. I just thought it was so cool and so simple to use that, you know what? I'm going to get myself one. And that's what it is. And here it is. Here it is. All right. One-handed by him. So this is the heating element, this part right here. And this holds the water. So we have our new kettle. And it shall be put to good use. We also have here this. This is another halter top. Yeah, but it's the kind that ties at one shoulder. So one shoulder's out, and then the other is tied. So yeah, like a one shoulder half halter with ruffles and tiers, and it's cute. I do enjoy a cute halter top. Yes, I do. These are slippers, spare slippers, because I believe in having spare slippers for myself and my husband and for guests. Because I insist that people remove their shoes upon entering our space, and I just feel like if I'm insisting you remove your shoes, I should have house shoes to offer as an alternative. So this pair is for my husband, but I got some like little cheapo ones here, and I ordered I think 2 more pair of the little cheap ones. They're like 96 cents a pair, and those are my guest pairs. So yeah, especially when I have like workmen, maintenance people come in here. I really like to be able to offer them a pair of house shoes because you're not coming in here in your filthy outside shoes. So this is for my cat. It is an adorable wall decal of a blinged out pink roll of tissue. And I'm going to put this next to their litter box on the wall next to their litter box. So cute. I love it. This is black wood grain, like peel and stick paper for the wall. My desire is not only to use this on the wall behind my stove as a backsplash, but also on the wall behind the cat's litter box before I apply their decal. This is box number 2. This is my towels from Macy's. American Soft Linen 100 Cotton Luxury towel set, 6-piece towel sets, one in the color Malibu and the other in the color yellow. Malibu, yellow. So pretty. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Let's Go Shopping. Please join me for the next episode. And if you're interested, do take a look at the other options that are available on the channel. The channel is a variety channel. So not only do you have Let's Go Shopping as an option for your viewing pleasure, but there's also the bookshelf where we are currently reading Sister Soldier's Moment in Time. It is the 3rd in the Midnight series. We are about halfway through, so get in there and start listening if you are a book lover, if urban lit is your thing, or if you've ever been curious about the urban literature genre. I also have another option, Gentle Fitness Weekly, where we focus on gentle fitness for those who suffer from illnesses that cause chronic pain and fatigue, like fibromyalgia, MS, arthritis, all of those fun things. Even for people who have chronic illnesses, it's very important that we stay active and try to remember to move. And then most recently, I've also started Lovely Cooks Too, where I share family recipes that are favored by my family and are so easy to do. So easy. Nothing I do in my kitchen is difficult. You can do it too. And then we love to travel. I love to travel. So every once in a while, I will share my travels with you. And I also occasionally do food reviews. So check it out. There's so much to be found on the channel. Even though Let's Go Shopping is my favorite, I will say. So again, thank you for being here. Please continue to subscribe to the channel if you are a subscriber. If you aren't, be sure you hit that subscribe button. After that, be sure you hit the bell and then click on the all word so that you're notified whenever I post something new, and share, because that helps the channel grow. And we are here to grow and be great. So come on board, show me your lovely side, and I'll show you mine. And we could be lovely together. Until next time, deuces.